Well, welcome back. What is this? This is part 3 or part 4? I'm not sure. Anyway, here you can see I have two 14-inch elbows and a 14-inch duct right here. That's going to go in as my return line. Goes in here. And then the discharge to the house goes straight in, and that's going to be 12. So this has to be mounted to this, and then this needs to be turned like that. And I wanted to show you how I turned it because it gets so slippery. It's really hard to maneuver. So I used 2 ratchet straps and pulled the ratchet straps around. You can make it only so far. Like I'll show you this one. Oh, let me put some gloves on first. And the fastest way is to rip your hands up. Just trying to slide. This one, of course, is going to make a lion out of me. That would be fine. I would take that. These. There we go. There we go. Oh, no. Come on. Can't get these two to turn. What is the trick? Alright. So, show you what I'm going to do. Did you even see any of that? Probably. Okay, hold on. I'll take the ratchets off of this one. Yeah, so it's really easy with one hand. This one might be alright. Hold on a second. Okay, they're installed. Now, this one's a shot. Okay. Back to the drawing boards. Hold on. What's that? Oh, yeah. Put down in the comments how I should do this. Kicking my creative arts. Alright, hold on. Your marks, get set. Alright, real quick. Just wanted to show you how I ended up doing this. And putting a strap on it and hold it against my belly and actually pulling the strap. I'm not going to do that right now because I believe I have it lined up at a perfect. But like I said, really careful because this stuff is really sharp and you don't want to crush it either. So just being able to do this, put the leverage on it, got it in there. To the 90 that I need. Okay. Next, let me show you what I'm doing here. So this is going to go down under here. Right. There we go. Let's see what we got here. It's going to get down under here. Like this. Okay. Boop. Sure, you can see that. Okay. How about that? How about them apples? Them apples? Like apples? Like that? Something like that. Alright. Okay. Got a little clearance here. She's here, clearance. Might need to come down a little. And then, how am I gonna... fill this, make a gasket or something. Alright, yeah, we gotta line all this stuff up. Alright, so I need to figure out how to turn this oval hole. Yeah, you can see that. How to turn this, hey, come on, focus. Hello, focus. Turn this oval, focus. What is the deal here? Turn this oval hole into a round hole, and I'll show you that more in a minute. I don't know how I'm going to go with that from one thing to another. And it's going to get really hot out here again. Hop to it. On your marks, get set.